Welcome to this wonderful state with 2,955 square meter land with 3 bungalows which are generating income and the main villa which is a chalet German style architecture. This property comes with an expansive garden. It has all kinds of coconut trees, palm trees. It has mangoes, avocados, cherry trees, guayabas, with all the trees and fruits that you can think of right here at your doorstep. This main villa has 3 spacious bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, open floor plan with soaring high ceilings. Down here we have the kitchen, living room, and a 1-bedroom and bathroom. This villa has been constructed by German-style architecture with lots of natural wood. So up here we have the beautiful second floor, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, sitting area, a balcony, enclosed balcony, beautiful, beautiful wood floors. Let's go. Here we have the primary bedroom with its own bathroom. Lots of natural light, very airy, and the most important thing, right here. Beautiful ocean view. Follow us for more information, and as always, I will see you next time.